I'm going to start with copper gel eyeliner, cream eyeshadow. Sorry.
Now, why would you choose copper for her?
I'm choosing copper because it's a nice warm color. It really complements her skin. Copper also has a little bit of orange and redness in it, just like she has in her own skin naturally.
Gotcha.
Anytime you're putting a cream shadow on, you want to take your fingers and blend it so it just goes in nicely. I'm going to use the darker shade.
With her skin tone, those colors are beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's gorge. Now this is the pinky.
This is the burgundy.
Hang on one second.
Pink. And I'm using Rocky Cosette brushes. Because I like his brushes.
Why do you like his brushes?
They have really great soft hairs and really helps to blend the eyeshadows in really wonderfully. I like the way how the eyeshadows blend onto the skin.
Now, are you a fan of using your fingers for applying makeup?
I am.
Yeah.
I am. It just depends on what look I'm doing, and I just want to raise this up a little bit. I see that's higher than this is. Try to be symmetrical. Fantastic. Now we're going to pop a little pink glow on the brow bone. I also want to take a look at the pink glow.
Now explain what the significance of putting the little bit of light, shiny color right in that inner eye.
It just helps to bounce and attract the eye to this part of the eye, and it also helps to bounce light off of it.
Now, I also find if you are over 20, and that tends to open up your eye a bit more when gravity is working against you.
When the lids go down a little bit, this kind of helps to bring and open up the eye.
Yeah. That is some beautiful color.
And now we're going to take a little bit of the burgundy. Again, look up for me. I'll give it right in there.
Now the light pink you did for the inner corner and the brow bone, where is that coming from? Is it the palette you have in your hand?
Yeah, it's not. That is the pink glow.
Ah, right. Okay, so that's a highlighter palette.
It's a highlighter palette, yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gorge.